Welcome to our exploration of how artificial intelligence is transforming genetics. AI in genetics is revolutionizing how we study and manipulate DNA, the blueprint of all living organisms. The Human Genome Project, completed in 2003, took over 13 years to sequence DNA. Today, AI-powered tools can achieve this in a matter of hours. At its core, AI excels at analyzing massive datasets, a perfect match for genetics, where a single human genome contains over 3 billion DNA base pairs. One remarkable application is in gene editing. Tools like CRISPR, enhanced by AI, are making precision gene modifications more efficient and accurate. For instance, DeepCRISPR, an AI model, predicts the success of CRISPR edits, minimizing errors and enhancing outcomes. AI is also speeding up drug discovery. By identifying genetic markers, AI can pinpoint targets for new medications, cutting years off the development process. In 2021, AI helped researchers develop a potential vaccine for a genetic disorder within just 3 months, a process that traditionally takes years. AI-driven platforms like DeepMind's AlphaFold have solved one of biology's greatest challenges, predicting protein structures from DNA. Understanding protein folding is vital for developing treatments for diseases like Alzheimer's and cancer, and AlphaFold's accuracy has exceeded 90%. In agriculture, AI is helping decode plant genomes to create crops resistant to drought, pests, and diseases, ensuring global food security. AI tools are being used to identify genetic traits in livestock, enabling farmers to breed healthier and more productive animals. Personalized medicine is another breakthrough. AI analyzes genetic data to tailor treatments for individual patients, enhancing effectiveness and reducing side effects. Imagine a future where AI examines your genome to recommend the exact medication and dosage for your unique genetic makeup. AI is also playing a role in prenatal care. Genetic screening powered by AI can identify potential issues early, allowing for timely interventions. In cancer research, AI has been pivotal in detecting genetic mutations responsible for various forms of the disease, enabling earlier and more effective treatments. Rare genetic disorders, which often go undiagnosed for years, are now being identified faster thanks to AI algorithms. For instance, AI was recently used to diagnose a rare condition in a 5-month-old baby within minutes, a task that typically takes months. AI is also democratizing genetics. Cloud-based platforms are making complex genetic analysis accessible to smaller labs and startups worldwide. One company, 23andMe, uses AI to analyze consumer genetic data, providing insights into ancestry and potential health risks. Ethical concerns, however, are a significant challenge. The use of AI in genetics raises questions about privacy, consent, and potential misuse. To address these, researchers are developing AI systems that prioritize data security and ensure compliance with global ethical standards. AI is also aiding conservation efforts. Genetic analysis of endangered species helps scientists develop strategies to protect biodiversity. In 2023, AI was used to analyze the genome of the Tasmanian tiger, bringing us closer to the possibility of their extinction. As the cost of genetic sequencing drops, AI is enabling large-scale studies that were once impossible, unlocking new insights into human evolution and diseases. AI isn't just interpreting data. It's generating hypotheses, identifying patterns, and suggesting experiments to validate findings. The global AI in genetics market is projected to grow from $1.5 billion in 2023 to over $6 billion by 2030, underscoring its transformative potential. However, the integration of AI and genetics also highlights disparities. Access to these technologies remains limited in many parts of the world. Bridging this gap will require collaboration between governments, tech companies, and researchers to ensure equitable benefits. Looking ahead, the possibilities are endless. AI could help eradicate genetic diseases, extend human lifespan, and even enhance human abilities. But with these advancements come responsibilities. As we push the boundaries of science, ethical considerations must guide our journey. The fusion of AI and genetics is more than a technological leap. It's a revolution shaping the future of humanity and the planet. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey into the world of AI in genetics. If you found this insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cutting-edge content.